Welcome to our calculus class. Today I will teach you how to find the slope of the tangent line using limits. This is the problem. Find the slope of a tangent line to kx, k of x equals x at x equals -9. All right. Before let's see what I mean this topic. The slope of the tangent line, okay, the slope, let's see, let's mark it. Alright, the slope of tangent line of f of x at x equals 8, see, is a limit of this formula f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h when h approach to 0. Right? This limit is also called derivative. Derivative of f of x at x equals 8. Right, it's very important, and it is written as f like this, f comma of a. Right, very important this. It is the instantaneous. It is instantaneous rate change. So it is the instantaneous rate instantaneous rate of change. Okay, of what? Of course of f of x, like I told you x equals a. This is very important concept, where f of x is a linear equation. It's a linear equation of this tangent. Okay, this tangent limits. So this are the same as the graph of the f of x. Okay, now let's try to solve our problem. This is like the in general idea. What I mean our class. We will mean our class for today. One key is this definition. Actually, defining this formula our class. So, but let's see. Go to solve our first problem. I will to solve a couple of the problem to see what I mean, the slope of a tangent line using limit. How find this? So first, how solve our problem? The graph of the f, the graph of k of x equals is a line with the slope 1. Very important. With the slope 1. Very important here. Data. So this is 1 point. So the tangent line here. So the tangent line. There's another number that we need to know. It is the same. It is the same line and the slope 1. It is the same of the slope 1. Okay. This is couple of the data right now. So you can also find the slope of the tangent. Find the slope of the tangent using the limit definition. What is the limit definition? Remember the limit definition okay. I wish to write again the limit definition is limit of what? Of this is the formula k of now substitute the formula. I will to substitute the formula minus 9 minus what is here, h, right? H minus k negative 9. See, divided by h when h approaches to 0. So this is the limit definition. I just substitute the formula. You can simplify, plug it in h. So here plug in h equals 0, right? To evaluate the limit, because doing so with this makes the denominator 0. You must first simplify. You must simplify the numerator. First the numerator, and cancel the h in the denominator. It's the last step. So next step here. So this will be equals then. And now limit. Use the limit here. So simplify the formula. Or rewrite the formula here. So this step is now negative 9 minus h plus h here. The formula is plus h, not negative, plus h, it's plus there. Okay, remember the formula I give it to you before at the beginning. So when I give it to you, the definition formula is plus h minus in this case okay, I did a mistake. So now here just write minus here negative 9. So I'm simplifying right now the formula when h approaches to 0, right? Next step is very simple. It is not hard. So cancel, just write limit, and then what will happen here? Just cancel these two. Cancel 9 here, because this is negative, and then this change to positive, cancel, and then you will have h divided by h when h approaches to 0, right? So now cancel h here, and then this will be equals, you cancel h, will be limit 1 when h approaches to 0, right? So the answer here, so is equals, this will be equals 1, right? That's the solution for our problem. All right, let's erase this problem. I will to write another one, another example. Let's do another example here. This is very easy. So let me write a different problem. So now find the slope of find the slope okay of the tangent line that marker is not black. Tangent line, yeah, this is better. Tangent line to, let's change the k of x equals negative 1 I see, at x equals negative 11. X equals negative 11. Right? See, so the first step, just write the formula here. Limit. I will not describe all the information again. So just write do the first step. Just write here k, then substitute the formula right here. So this case will be negative 11. It's 11 here, not 1, just 11. Negative 11 plus h minus k times negative 11 here, divided by h when h approach to 0. Alright, you have now the formula. Substitute the formula here. It's very easy to solve a problem. Now simplify, just simplify everything here. So this will be equals limit of here cancel k, or not cancel, just write as minus 1 here, minus 1, and then minus negative 1, because it's 1 right here. See, x is equals negative 1 divided by h. See, when h approach to 0, of course. So now, so limit we will have right now here after this is this will be negative 1 here. Negative times negative is positive, so negative 1 and positive 1 cancel here, cancel, and then you will have 0 here there, divided by h. 0 divided by h. Okay, when h approaches to 0. What I mean this, here cancel h. Remember I told you, first we have to simplify the numerator on top, and then after just cancel h. So now this is equals 0, right? The answer, find the slope of the tangent line. So the slope of the tangent line here is 0. This is the answer. So it's very simple. Just you must to memorize a little bit the formula. This formula here, I will to write the original formula here is limit when h approach to 0. This is the original formula. So the original formula is h plus h minus f times 8 divided by h. You know this formula, how this formula? Easy to find, in this case the tangent, the slope of the tangent line using limits. So this is the answer. That's it for today. Calculus class. You discover the power of the mathematics, unleash your infinity potential. Thank you.